Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment. Then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what I work on today. Was the correct project? For Visual Studio online in the terminal. What are you doing? Online in the terminal. Do I find the correct one, or do I have to? And bam, run with one command to start. Wait for a few lines in the terminal to appear, so I know it's ready. I was working on something and I saw deployment fail. So something I have to check. Okay, it should be started. I can play whatever I want. Think I disabled. So localhost for me, I disabled the tower builder version. I will shortly check tower builder. It's not enabled. I want to start fresh. I want to remember something. I can play what I want. I just play sniper. So I'm the guy in the middle. At the sides here are enemies. If I come close to them, they attack me. Bar above my head is my HP. When it reaches 0, I die. And if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. Now I get stronger the more enemies I kill. Enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. And this is a short introduction. Now I just play until I die. Okay, let's take stay still. Oops. I take speed. I press easy at the start. I can just shoot enemies from distance. Do I take more stay still? On one hand, this is easy enough to take, I guess. But it's all now dependent that I have to care not running out of stay still. Moment do I'm totally weak. I didn't see him. I'm blind. I looked at the boss. Didn't see this. And I run out of ammunition. Do I play a second round? I think I play a second round. It's twice small. Oh god. Let's see if I can. Yes. No. What do I have? After image, explode on death. This is the easiest, but also not. I take speed. Something still feels off. Nothing of this is helpful. I have to take half damage, I guess. Okay, I will die this direction if I don't get better upgrades. I have the speed, I guess. Speed will not help me against many. Okay, what do I get? Synergy explode. This helps, but is also not the best. Additional charge. Normally slow pass is helpful against. Higher enemy counts. Okay, I'm reaching distances where I just cannot protect myself. 11. Do I slow down? This worked out. Oh, God, oh God, oh God. Yeah, this might be more protective. Let's tier a bit. Okay, I can. Oh, just wait here, I guess. Second, here he comes. More rifles, no mist chain. Guess more rifles it is. Slow trail. Okay, this helps in this case. Can help. My boss damage is so low. Okay, if the enemies stick on one position, this helps. Okay, I should try to. No, 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 no. Okay. Close, close, close. If damage split still stay still. Guess I take split shot. Additional charge. My damage for boss is far too low. Explode doesn't work on bosses because there are no massive enemies. I have good cover in here currently. Yeah, this was close and I was lucky. Oh, damage and range. This gives me damage and minus range gives me enough damage for the boss. What? Oh god, this was close. Wait for one more. I need to... Technically, I think I need to... Okay, lucky. So... Stay still might help the most, but... Yeah, split shot. Duration and another charge. Okay, reload. I'm gonna see. Okay, this is decent damage. I can think this is now how I pull him. Oh god. Okay, this was 1-1. I failed. Let's think a bit. I have on one hand deployments felt and on the other hand the subtype. I think I want to look into deployments. I have here flirt and logs. This was a task update? No, this was only the last change. I have no idea. But my server works. Failed at the start of the script. This is probably not a problem if npm the sliding output above. If this object is not a function. Server. But this is the first problem, and if I look into the deploy logs here, it's probably the same. I would assume it's the same. Then I look, what did I change? Links to GitHub, perfect. But this cannot be the problem. How do I navigate here? U99, does it matter? Is this one? Update dependencies, this will be the culprit. That something is no longer working together. Oh god, okay, I could copy ask ChatGPT, he's good at something like this, can be good. I recently did I have a programming project where I use TypeScript and Express. I recently updated dependencies. Now I got a deploy error. Do you know anything about why this happened? This is error not version compatibility. Relative a new built-in method in JavaScript introduced in Node 16 and environment, especially in deployment, is running node 14 or earlier, it won't recognize. Solution update node version. Your deployment environment uses node 69 and perfect. Okay, I have some dependencies I don't update or what? Because my Docker file. Ah, yes. Okay. How is my Docker working? I have it in my README, don't I? Start development and Docker build. The Docker build will probably not fail. Oops. I should try to reproduce it. Let's stop this here. Docker build enemies game. Where was my Docker file? And to the right, please. Do you tell me what I can use here? Probably not. Ah, here even 18 Alpin. Wait. This will go to 18 after it. Now I need to run and see that I get the same problem. Copy, paste. Perfect. Reproduced. I do this and I build again. I have no idea what node version I have and if it updates automatically, but I will see. Done and run. And this worked. Okay. Did this also work? One on localhost. Start here. Yes, it seems okay. This means I can close. I have the issue found. I forgot about the Docker file. Basically, fake work Docker file not up to date. Basically update Docker file. Fix, deploy, update Docker file. Something like this. Commit. Deploy fail. This should fix it. Back to my work. Set subtype to undefined again. I remember. I have to think that I have to think that I don't break all stuff. I have tower builder and I had Where is the code for it? Is it an ability tower? It's a tower have the, no, not the object, subtype, yes. Somewhere I set it to something, and this needs to be undefined again. Guess here. No, he wants it to be set. Wait. No, I'm confused. Does this need to allow undefined? I totally forgot how I did this. This? Oops. My Docker image I have to close because you do not get the file changes. So here's a watch and server. I think one more line, then I know it's ready again. And I forgot increase version. 383 today. Okay, and I'm interested in the tower builder. And something is happening in the background. Okay, now it's done. Didn't work. My changes did not. Now I probably can not. No, I can still. Oh, it's still 82. You should be 83, shouldn't you? No, it's 80. Still not. Okay. I have to find out where the problem is, basically. I remember disabling or putting back to the old stuff. It should be the subtype, which does a lot of. Was it that I now need a skill point? Oh, he doesn't have experience. Okay. I didn't subtype to undefined again. I undefined it. Don't think I need an. I'm confused. Pretty sure this is not the way. It's not the way. Undefined. I remove it for now. And search again. Create ability tower. I have no type. I ability subtype choice. Happens when. Create character upgrade options. Happens when. Did not use any skill point yet. Was it that I say I used one and to flag it? Yes, okay. I remember this. Now I start with one and have no used, and he will push the options. Now I'm convinced it is in it again. Okay. Down here I can run the attached mode. for the stationary towers. Okay. And now I need to think. Did they have a tower station here? Think a bit. I have a string error, so I can push more lines in here. I want a second one. Get more tower, more additional towers. Up, upgrades. Or skill points. What is my current wording? Choose upgrade. Choose upgrade. Upgrades. Get more additional towers through upgrades. Okay. I have done this text. I've activated again. The problem is that I might have older versions where player did not select this one yet. This is why I would default to stationary, I guess. Would I put code in, which does it? Tick ability tower. If I tick, do I care for this? Because I don't see any attached ones. And if I click, I think if I click, I will not. But I have to see. Don't choose. No, I can place them. This should not happen. Okay, okay. Where is cast tower here? Ah, this is what I did. Set it to stationary. I can change it. This is not good. I have to check if and what is the second ring? Ability owner. Upgrade. Oh no, this is was here. Character class. Ah, I don't have the character class directly. Do I need need to find? Okay, I have an idea. This ability needs to have a class ID ref. Cons char class is ability owner character class. Would check for it. And now to only end character classes. Find have a class and the ID needs to be equals to this one. And if I have char class and char class, what is now what I need to check? Available skill points. Available skill points used is can be undefined. It's bigger 0, then I allow this. Okay. Let's try this. This should catch it. Tower builder. No, it doesn't. I reload. Subtype attached. I reset it here. If subtype is undefined, and I have character classes, and I go in here. And I set it to stationary, else I return, I guess. So I stop the cast when I have no type. If I already spent skill points, then I will not allow. Okay. Now I'm blocking it. I hope this will work. Past things. Okay, this should work with older code. What do you mean? Activate tower builder subtype and with older versions like this. Continue set top okay. So now I have to do all kinds of bug fixes. And at the end, I want add a button to rotate towers. This is what I want. Line damage not working for enemy. Also, King Tower not working correctly. So I currently don't have any King versions. Go close King area. Suppose HP. I go tower attached. Of skill points, I take let's do Single target as my default. I think I already failed. Okay, essentially go here. I failed. Single target. My position up, down. Oh, I did start. Why did this disappear? This is unexpected. Let's go in stop mode. I have no idea how many towers I placed. Let's just spec anything. Okay, let's go up, I guess. And let's and more. Okay, this is fine. Now I don't make close. I'm interested in two more towers. Here comes. Yes, okay. He killed himself. This should not happen. Let's see. This time it doesn't look like it. Do I take damage from the lines? Can I see? Route 400? No. Damage done lock. I'm probably too late. Was already dead. Yes, damage meter. Hmm. Different with some movement bugs, but I don't care for now, I guess. What? He insta-died? I don't see it. I cannot see it. So something is weird. Let's see. I want to start. Let's be immune. Something killed him. Is it in damage me? Is it in... It's not mine damage. Okay, he killed himself somehow. Pretty fast, let's find out. I can... This is very strange. Not taking any damage at all? No, he's 4,500, 4,500. If he's moving to the right. And then he's killing everything. This is so strange. So here, it's not, but if you pull him right, now the lion is killing him. But there's only one line? But I also had in my... I said that... God. Line doesn't do any damage. So I cannot take damage from... The tower's also not. Okay. So something is completely off with... how I spawn this thing. Do they have a faction? This might be interesting. Do I put in... Because there's now a difference between... tickability. No pain, not pain, tickability. I don't put in a faction and I don't update the faction. I could do it. Object tower faction is ability owner faction. This one would fix it. Although maybe not the correct way to do it. It's the easy way. Still don't take damage. He himself does not place new ones. Yes, he does. He attaches them to himself. Okay, so the entire behavior breaks. Let's check. I have... this one, but it's not enough. What does the AI tick? AI casts tower, and cast tower will see the type and plays based on it. But I think when I cast a append, I push. It goes to the end. So I have the order of which I placed stuff. Do I? Not quite. Think a bit. Could try this, that I just but my count is off, I guess. Don't I check? Count ability index. Ability ID, I count somewhere. Get tower count of owner. Ability objects. Owner ID. Okay, I go over owner ID. So I never fix this ability. On owner ID change, do I need an ability function behind it? Probably. Is it only the ID? I have to think. Base is all on the king. I scale it somewhere. The ability to boss level, this I can also change to work later. Then it doesn't cast when he is a stationary attach type. Think a bit more. Then I need to know how I convert to kings again. King stuff. Init king area. No, not game init. End game. Set player as king. Reset character. Deep copy. I go for classes. Player character change to king modification. Character classes. King modification. There is something. Okay, who uses this and for what purpose? Tamer. Over the pets and change IDs. Okay, I already use it for IDs. Then I have an entry point. Character tamer class. I want tower. I will put it here. Modification. modification. So this is don't have pets. This is not what I want. I have my character class and my character. So I need for abilities, ability of character abilities. If ability ID, no, class ref ID is character class ID. This is not the case. I continue and now I check if ability name is equals ability no name tower. Then I have to is ability as ability tower ability tower. How is this called? Ability name tower. No. Ability tower. This is not exported. Ability tower. Thank you. Now if tower attached, if this exists, I have to loop over them. Let attached of tower attached faction is character faction. I think it's already changed. And attached ID reference. This is an owner ID. This was the one is equals character ID. Let's check what I changed for here. I have some owner ID. I have to modify. So this happens on set. And this would mean I do not need this faction here. I remove it. But now I need to tower builder, attach towers, experience, random skill points, setting. What do I want? Ice Aura? So is good enough, I guess. I should have made close area first, should I? Let's close king area. No, this is what I wanted. Did it not work if I had this? No, something. This is now fixed, I hope. So let's go king. when he places them new, they were fine, but the existing one were not fine. This doesn't look like what I want. Let's make king area fast. These are again white. This is the wrong color. So I have to check if I king modification. The character I get. I search where the ID is the same. Where the name is here. So this is a question if this is happening. Okay, so console log door builder to king. Basically what happens? This did not happen. Close king area and tower builder to king. This happened. Interesting. So this is good that but it's the same problem. Tower builder to king. I will guess I have to check here. Tower builder to king. I have data object attached. I have attached. I have faction. Player. It's still player. The IDs are also the same. This is problematic. So I don't have the new data here. You confuse me. King modification. Let's run through this. The tamer did it. And I have the IDs. King enemy. King. Make a deep copy of king. This is at the end. So the faction is not changed. I indeed don't set the faction here. This is a problem. But I see. This means I need to adjust the class, the faction may be on the ability. But I don't understand. I don't get a new ID. So this should not work either. Something is not making sense to me. Player character change to king modification. The function for it. I call it here. This idea. But I did not change IDs. So it might be an incorrect function. I change him to a king. But he's essentially still a friendly character. Once I spawn him, something is off. Start king fight. Modify character to king. Modify character to king. Yeah, I actually set pet faction, okay. Reset character. Maybe I take reset character as an option to check these values. Because this resets all abilities. Let's see. But reset does not have the owner, does it? That ability? I have the ability, huh? Yes. Ability doesn't have the information, so I cannot use it here. Now I'm lost again. Where was I? Modify character to king. I basically have now do I get a new ID here as a king? I don't know. Could also check if I that ability to level. Probably will also not help. No. Then I make a new ability name function, I guess. But the ID was also off, if I remember. But I still should see where this happens. Start king fight. Enforce. Get a king it's a deep copy. Did not change the ID yet. I think my entire ID change part is not well set up. Think for a moment. When I start, I have some change ID code, so I have to check check king and king change and refresh browsers. So this is basically what is happening. So I have the problem that I change the faction. And this is the first time when ability persists, but I need to check this regardless, do I? Because on one hand, I don't want him to start. How do I know? Okay, I think I might do it differently than I thought. Character class tower. DT tower. So in the case for tick AI will happen for bosses. I can check stuff. On set ability level. So let's change it up a bit. If ability tower subtype is equals subtype attached, then I return. I don't tick anything in here, I guess. Not quite fair. Attached. But I might do things differently, so let's check. Because I want to change count DT tower. Okay. I have ability tower. Max towers is smaller. Ability tower attached. They have to exist. No, there's an exclamation. They have to exist. Length. And I return. So if I'm type attached, and if I max towers is smaller equals is the way I have to go, I guess. Max towers if it's 10 and I have 10 towers. Then I return. Don't cast anything. And if I have not, then I just place random. Okay. Fine for me. Could have. I keep it like this. The next thing I could do is the ability to boss level. I have the ability. Thought about setting the faction here, but don't have it. Which means I probably should do a new ability function. Max towers. I could only tick and paint to max towers in this case, maybe. Let's find out. I tick ability. I update and tick, but now I have counter. Counter is 0. Counter plus plus. If counter is mega object tower, no ability tower, max towers, then I break basically. So if I get 1 and I have max 1 and it's not yet bigger, 2 I break. Okay, this might be what I want. And for paint 2. And ability tower. Let counter equals 0. It's not ability tower here. Ability tower. Okay, I see. Ability tower. Now it's ability tower. Let's see. So I only allow max towers, so I should limit it now. So this should prevent my kings and enemies to have too many of these. And they will not reset. I will check. What did I write down? Ability objects don't update IDs. I see. The ID problem also when I take from past character. So I need to update faction and IDs on an ability, I guess. Let's get one. update update on character changes. Update on copy. EB. Update. I'm thinking about how I should call it. I go with this for now. I need definitely the owner, the ability and the game. I void. He's not happy about voiding. I forgot something. So ability. Now I need something around this line. Update abilities on character change. I need character. In the game. Maybe. I first go for character abilities. Let ability of character abilities. I have now an ability name. I check if I have the function update on character change. If this is implemented, I call it. It's voiding, so I don't do anything. And it needs values, character, ability, game. Okay. Now I try this one on the tower ability. Let's put it somewhere here. Function and I link it so it exists. Now I have to if ability first once tower ability is ability as ability tower if ability wait ability tower ability objects attached, then I go over each of these ability tower objects object has owner. This is one of the important ones. This goes to ability owner ID. And object faction goes to faction. Okay. And this is now one I need to call. Update abilities on character change. I put this in. Where do I put it? When I start king fight, basically. Modify character to king. Update abilities on character change. It gives me king in the game. This is good for king, but this is not good enough for bosses. Wait. Deep copy. Singlet. Spats something here, I guess. Create default boss with level? No. What's the default boss? Create boss with level. Class function. Okay, the character class tower has create boss with level. Spawn is on character. Bind. Deep copy. Set ability to boss level. Push tower. This needs ability functions. Lower name. Tower functions. Update on character change, then I call it if the owner is boss character, ability is tower, and game. And I see that I did something stupid here. But it's snipe. It has absolutely no relevance. So this is setting it for bosses. And now this needs to happen when I cast character stuff. Past character. No? Not in main game. Character is past character. That's the important part. and closest interactable at distance. Still feels off. Tick past characters. Save player, no. Tick past characters. Not what I wanted. So this is interact. I think the functions are all in here. Do I have a past characters? Past characters. Cap character. A lot of stuff happening. This is what I looked at. So where do I miss past character stuff? Not in my replace. Game watched 90% game paint shouldn't matter, more infos shouldn't matter. Player, here this might be. Find nearest. Past. This might king enemy, tamer pad, player input. Here could be something. Character trait, ability. Pets. This is in character. Tradeable. Trade pads. Set all characters' abilities. Gifted, splice, form character, splice. Unique, continue. 2 character splice. Okay, I put it in. It's the first location. Now I need ability functions is ability functions ability name if ability functions update on character change, then I should do this to character ability in game. Okay, now I have to check. This means king area reduced HP. I'm in the new one. Will now be interested to see. Okay, this is interesting. Does he do damage with it? Yes. Very tanky. This doesn't do damage. So they don't tick. But the blades did tick. Lock. Base over 200. Tower line. Sword. This one doesn't do anything. This is not good. Now it did. 100, okay. It's not quite. It seems to work. Add a lot of experience. Let's do some. I forgot. Tanky. If I. 3 more. Yes, more towers he can place. And oh, this is the strongest he will get. He has the same setup. Okay, time will tell. It looked like did what I wanted. Here you are tanky. It's 5. He should place new ones. He does. Okay, but thing is fine. Oh, I'm already at the. I believe this worked. Everything did damage. I just have and at the start, but maybe I was still in sheet phase. Ability objects don't update IDs. So the count seemed correct, I guess. Can I... Don't... What are you? Tower builder capped level 2, not what I want. They disappear, so it was correctly adjusted. This is interesting. It gets destroyed. But I take it as no. I think past character worked. Spend money? Yes. So am I think this is working. I think this is working. I think this is working. Oh, the refresh browser thing. Okay. So I have, let's play one time as a tower builder. Eroll. Doesn't matter here. Okay, doesn't matter. I want 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't want single target. I want probably how about I do shoot slightly to the front. One, 2, 3, 4. 2 more towers. 1, 2. 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 With HP. With movement speed. Line damage. Dragon. 2 more towers. 1, 2. More towers. 1, 2. Okay, this was poorly placed. 2 more towers. Okay, this is done. And now bonus HP, bonus drag, line damage, some more HP, tower damage, line damage, tower damage. Tower damage. HP Regen is fine, HP Regen is fine, tower damage, line damage, tower damage. Damage, bonus HP, tower damage, tower damage, tower damage, tower damage, HP Regen. Oh, okay. Regen, HP Regen, bonus HP. So now I can stay him. No, it's a problem that if only from this very position I do damage. If I now would have rotate buttons, this would change. Let's go. Oh, one more. Close. Okay, this feels dangerous. Kite him to the other side again. Tower damage. Go further away. Okay. Here again, somewhere. 50. This was not enough. So this should be now, show it in, perfect. So I correctly created this connection count is not updated correctly. But I think I will see. And I didn't check if everything is ticking. Let's find out. It's not shooting. I mean, these blades are turning, but this feels off. Genau sowas. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Puts down the other. Now he puts down new connections. Let's make myself very tanky and see if this line doesn't do any damage. This line doesn't do any damage. I did get hit. So there's a lot not working, I guess. So write it down. Line damage not working for enemy. This is on the smaller version it worked, so there is something off. Not working always. I think this is fixed. I think this is fixed. It could be that the abilities behind might need change too. Because he did not place them. I have to check. But aren't the abilities reliant on it? And isn't it... I mean, I think he will probably be too strong in the end. But it should still work. Work. Not all towers work. Tower level incorrect, but this I understand. Let's go to ability tower. When I scale, I need to do cast tower, calculate distance, get delete all, update tower with which have deleted ID. No. Update tower object ability levels. Here I go over get connection count, counter, tower connected to ID plus plus. If it's a tower, if I'm here and I have the correct ID, okay, there are no problems. only for I need to limit. Ability object, so let's check. Cast tower, whenever I said ability objects, I should careful. Cast might be not the problem. But here I can set them in. So here I could limit. I put in and he might be fine. That ability to enemy level. Don't use the damage factor here. Okay. And ability objects is I don't have the data behind it. Oh no, but I don't think so. I can have the game here, do I? Does the game help me? No, I only need the ability. If ability tower, I have the attached ones, then I have them, but I need to no, I don't want to splice them out. I want to what do I want? To reduce, slice, splice is incorrect. Was there a version where he can tell me more? Filter? No, I'm in TypeScript array to shorter to only X first element. Get first array and object reference. I'm missing something. Maybe I can static instant property in the examples. Static methods. It's a new array instance from enter array from is array of. I ask ChatGPT. I am writing TypeScript code. I have an array. I want to take the first X elements of this into. I want to get the first X elements of this array into a new in I want to get the first X element of this array as pair and put them into I want to get the first X elements of this array to use as an input for a function as a parameter or function in the original should not be changed and function should be able to alter elements which so like alter the properties what is the correct function. How do I do this correctly? Let's see. Extract the first X elements from array, preserves original array structure, allow chain insert extracted elements. Shallow copy. Slice. Okay, slice is this works or returns a new array with the same reference to yes, okay, slice is the one I want to use. Thank you. Slice. And what do you need? Start is 0, end is ability tower, max towers. Okay, and this I put in. And now I'm gonna find out, I guess. What did I do here, I guess? Didn't seem to work. He doesn't even have a melee ability. Before I didn't need it. This doesn't work out. Let's see. Experience. Also not. It's worse than before, I would assume. But it just doesn't seem to be correct. He has attached tower, set ability to burst. So I am looking, what's my time? 15 minutes or so. That ability tower to boss level. I want ability tower. Do I have it open? I am around 200. And I'm interested in this function. And it should be called. Okay, I go over and he should be here. Perfect. This gives me 12 towers. Go in here. So far so good. Level is 12. There, tower ability. It's boss tower. It's not a boss tower. It's faction enemy, yes. Boss tower should be a boss tower, should it? Okay, now he sets to enemy level. Okay, I see the problem. How do I know if it's a boss tower? Yes, boss tower. This seems to exist somewhere. Cast tower. Okay, I think I have to take this one. ET tower. Character changes. Each object. Is boss tower. If he's boss enemy, king enemy, or this, and I have checked this boss tower. Okay. This should bring me in the correct function. Start anew. Why did I enter this when I press 1? Play action. Because I am close to something. It might be strange, but okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, now I see I'm in the king sign. This is okay, so here I spawn. Yes, I spawn. Let's verify create boss with level. In here, level should be now 3. This sounds good. I should be a boss tower and I should set it. Okay. Stop. Very tanky. What is this on the side? Can this hit me? Doesn't look like it. But a lot of experience. And next tower. Still not correct. Next tower. Still not correct. I'm not quite sure. God, I should take it away. It doesn't feel like correct. So something is not matching. It's called, he sets the boss tower, but it's still off. Towers place relative to no I. What do I need to know? 10 more minutes. Don't think I will fix most of the stuff. When he sets the stuff himself, it seemed fine, so I can check. If I see boss tower. This tower, I have a delete time, but get newest tower connected to ID. I don't change. I'm missing something. It's boss tower. Factor set ability to boss level. And ability tower. Paint him. And effect connected. Total connection. The line width is total connection. Get tower connection count. Ability objects. Ability objects. Okay, and this is basically, I would need to slice it. Because I put all in. I think for a moment. This was fix the paint, but not the damage. So if this is called, but this is ability objects. I made it differently. I will do this. If ability tower essentially will set ability objects to something different. Tower and ability tower. This is my trigger where I know if ability tower faction, no. Okay, ability objects tower, ability object tower. If tower faction is faction enemy and ability objects length is bigger tower ability tower max towers. then ability objects would be equals objects slice 0 to this one, and this should for painting fix it, I guess. Find out. This looks more like what it should be. No. Yes. So this paint thickness is better. I also need to check for tick. Tick ability, I go here. Tick ability I have. Check tower. I. Break here. Tick effect connected. Cannot find them because I take them correctly. These count everything. It characters touching. And character take damage. But it takes all. Let's see if I can take this away. Game state ability objects. Game state ability objects or ability tower attached. Don't have tower here. Ability tower. I have ability object tower. Ability object tower. And these I use, but I still. Do I have tower connection not cleaned up? No. Tower connection count. They have IDs connected to ID. I have to check this also. Check tower connected to ID. Okay, this is complicated stuff. 2 minutes. I should come to an end soon. I have still a lot of issues with this function. So I should disable it. The way I disable it is if I say I used the point. So let's see. Yes, it now will always be this. choose 4. Coin juice of label 4. Okay, don't care for now. I want to come to an end, so my goal should be test replace. I should expect no big changes. The tower builder might be a bit slower because of the new code. I think a bit. But no, I just have to watch it. So this is a tower builder. This seems to still work, which is perfect. The one which might break the easiest currently. Lord King is still broken, I don't care for it. It technically works out. Long builder was fine, long sniper was fine. Tamer, I expect everything to work then. Last replay. And done, okay. So I can still work in progress. This is tower builder subtypes. I forgot how I called it. Subtype, yes. Commit, push, so it gets deployed. Do I want to see if the deploy works this time? Might take a minute. Render dashboard. Deploying. Wait here for a minute and hope. Normally it's around a minute, which it takes. Start to deploy, auto deploy. There are no time values, I guess. Did I need to refresh here? Wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. Ah, yes, it's running. How does a success look? Okay, the check mark. And it's deployed. Okay, deployment works again. So next time I have to continue still with the attached mode, which creates far more problems than I thought. And I end here for today. Thanks for watching. The next time. Bye bye.